Welcome to the official VizMaker Discord server, the place where our entire community comes together. Let me give you a quick tour of everything you'll find here. At the very top, you will find the VizMaker news section. Think of it as your information hub. This is where we post announcements about the latest app updates, new features, scheduled maintenance, and other important news. You'll also find discount codes and special offers here, so make sure you check it regularly. Next up is the community section, and this is where the real magic happens. In the general chat, you can talk freely about your experiences with the app, ask questions, and share your ideas with other users. And on the Show Your Work channel, don't be shy, show off what you have been creating. We are all here to inspire each other. And every single day, the daily information channel gets filled with the best work from our students and designers from all around the world. And if you want to know what other things about your work, head over to feedback request, where you can ask for a review and get tons of constructive feedback from our team and the whole VizMaker community. And then there is Hall of Fame. Every week we pick the best submissions and give them a special spotlight. Who knows, maybe your work will be next. The help and support section is your go-to whenever you run into issues. You can ask for help at any time, suggest new features, or report bugs. We want VizMaker to keep getting better, and you, our community, knows best what it needs. And for those who love a little competition, the challenge section is made for you. Every month we run creative challenges between users, plus render battles where you can, let's say, just roast each other's work. All in good spirit, of course. In the learning zone, you will find materials to help you work smarter with AI and VizMaker, from the absolute basics all the way to advanced techniques. Perfect whether you are just starting out or looking to push the app to its limits.
And finally, if you're interested in working with us, whether you're an individual creator or representing a larger company, reach out in the networking and careers section. We would love to hear from you.
That is your full tour of the VizMaker Discord. See you on the server.